Om Shri Sai Ram. Most beloved Bhagwan, we offer our most loving and reverential pranams at your divine lotus feet. This day, that year, you chose to transform our beatific experiences with you into everlasting memories of love. This day, that year, you chose to transform your physical presence into eternal omnipresence. This day, that year, you chose to leave your physical form and eternally install yourself in our hearts as our Hridayavasi. And this day, every year, we rededicate ourselves to your divine mission. And today, as we celebrate your advent, your life, your message, and your mission, we offer at your lotus feet, Swami, a musical bouquet entitled Avatar Gatha. Nirgunam Niranjanam Sanatanam Niketanam Nitya Shuddha Buddha Mukta Nirmala Swarupinam. Lord, you are extolled as the one with no attributes. Yet, out of your love, you created this manifold universe, and to bless creation, you descended into your creation. You created me too, and named me time, God, and commanded me to be an eternal witness to your play. Dearest Lord, Kalatita, Master of Time, please accept my obeisance. I have separated myself from myself so that I may love myself. You proclaim to the world as Prema Swarupa. Everything emerges and culminates in you. And from the sound of your formless pranava arose Prapancha, the world with form. And in it, you filled 84 lakhs of species. And then, you created man as your own reflection. And then God descended for the ascent of man. This world is truly blessed that the Akhanda Koti Brahmanda Nayaka has chosen to draw to himself his chosen ones. Let all be aware that he that spans the cosmos is in the atom as well. He is in you, with you, above you, below you, and around you as the all-pervading God. As the Kathopanishad says, Ano Raniyan Mahato Mahiyan.
शश्वत्प्रशान्तमभयं विश्वद्वात्सल्यविभवं सच्चिदानन्दमद्वैतं सत्यसाईश विश्वविभुं निर्गुणानिरञ्जनात्मकं सृष्टिस्थितिलयहेतुकम् एकोऽहं बहुश्यामम् ओंकारं गतिसम्भवम् अविज्ञेयम् अव्यक्कृतम् आदिमध्यान्तरहितम् स्वयंभू स्वयं व्यक्तं ऋग्यजुस्सामलक्षणम् अर्धनारीश्वरं देहं शिवशक्त्यात्मकसायिनम् अर्धनारी ईश्वरं देहं शिवशक्त्यात्मकसायिनम् स्थावरं जङ्गमं सृष्टं बहुरूपं बहुकल्पनम् अखिलाण्डकोटिब्रह्माण्डं सर्वं सत्यं समुद्भवम् दिव्यचैतन्यावतरणं सत्यसाई सनातनं दिव्यचैतन्यावतरणं सत्यसाई सनातनम् शश्वत्प्रशान्तमभयं विश्वद्वात्सल्यविभवम् सच्चिदानन्दमद्वैतं सत्यसाईश विश्वविभुं निर्गुणानिरञ्जनात्मकं सृष्टिस्थितिलयहेतुकम् एकोऽहं बहुश्यामम् ओङ्कारं गतिसम्भवम्
The Lord chose his advent on earth, and how blessed are those that were drawn to him during divinity's earthly sojourn. Those born during the avatarhood of Bhagwan Sri Satya Sai Baba, drawn to him by the merits of millions of lives, are indeed blessed, as they have Manushyatvam, to be born as humans, Mumukshatvam, to have the longing for liberation, and Mahapurusha Samshraya, the proximity to none other than Lord Himself. Bhagwan Baba has always said, "My life is my message. Love all, serve all, and help ever, hurt never." Quenching the thirst of millions, free education, free healthcare, Gram Seva to serve the villages that still form the backbone of Bharat. Veda Purusha Saptaha Jnana Yagna and Atirudra Mahayagna for Loka Kalyan. And above all, the Sri Satya Sai Seva organization for service activities across the globe. His actions have touched and transformed millions and millions of lives in ways beyond comprehension. O Swami, O Bhagavan, in what way can humankind offer their gratitude to you for everything you have done for them? With a gentle smile, you said, "Do not try to understand me. Experience me. Enjoy the bliss." Bhagavan, you are beyond the ken of word and mind. For have not the Upanishads said, "Yatho vacho nivartante aprapya manasasaha."
కొండంత నీ గూర్చి ఏమేమి చెప్పేది స్వామి స్వామి.
నీ పనిని మేము ఏ లీల కొలచేది స్వామి స్వామి.
బ్రతికేటి విధమే నేర్పించినావు, సేవించు విధమే చూపించినావు, బ్రతికేటి విధమే నేర్పించినావు.
గ్రంథాల సారాన్ని వడగట్టినావు, బంధాల పాశాన్ని దాటించినావు. గ్రంథాల సారాన్ని వడగట్టినావు, బంధాల పాశాన్ని దాటించినావు.
ప్రతిమదియే నీ గుడి అని చూపించినావు, తరతరాల మానవుల దీవించినావు. ప్రతిమదియే నీ గుడి అని చూపించినావు, తరతరాల మానవుల దీవించినావు. కొండంత నీ గూర్చి ఏమేమి చెప్పేది స్వామి, స్వామి.
నీ పనిని మేము ఏలేల కొలచేది స్వామి, స్వామి.
As a witness to the Master of Time, I have seen his story whenever he incarnated on the earth to establish dharma, dispel evil, and infuse love. I wonder, how would the bow in the hands of Lord Rama express its gratitude? How would the empty flute resting on the lips of Lord Krishna express its feelings of thankfulness? And as Bhagwan Shri Satya Sai Baba, your greatest armament is your love. One glance, one touch, one word. Ah, eternity. Lord, if those apparently inanimate instruments could speak, would they not wax eloquent of their moments with you? What would the footstool, blessed to serve as a rest for the divine lotus feet, say? How would the chair, blessed to rest your sweet loving form, express its joy? The pristine white kerchief held in your hand, what words could express its gratitude? The chandelier casting its loving glow on your orange-robed effulgence, what would it say? The doorknob, the tile, the wall, the roof, the pillar, the table, and even the microphone that you use to drive home your message into every mind. How would they express their feelings, Swami? How would they salute you? For Bhagwan, you reside in them too. The Guru Stotram says, Sthavaram Jangamam Vyaptam Yat Kinchit Sacharacharam Tat Padam Darshitam Yena Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha.
People call me footrest, but place on me their heads. For inner service I stay, putting ego to its rest. I'm not special, my friend, just a handkerchief. I keep myself pure and found a place on his throne. This is my story, it could well be yours. I'm just ordinary, but his love changed my course. My Baba and I, you are my life, you are my love. My Baba and I, you are my life, you are my love. My Baba and I, you are my life, you are my love. My Baba and I, you are my life, you are my love. I'm always happy and they call me chandelier. The Lord blessed me to spread light and cheer. Always alert and ready, focused and clear. His doorknob I am, heaven is right here. His instrument I am, hollow and true, carrying his words divine, a microphone attuned, carrying pain and joy and mostly gratitude. I'm the letter born with multitude. This is my story, it could well be yours. I'm just ordinary, but his love changed my course. This is my story, it could well be yours. I'm just ordinary, but his love changed my course. My Baba and I, you are my life, you are my love. My Baba and I, you are my life, you are my love. My Baba and I, you are my life, you are my love. My Baba and I, you are my life, you are my love. My Baba and I, you are my life, you are my love. My Baba and I, you are my life, you are my love. My Baba and I, you are my life, you are my love. My Baba and I, you are my life, you are my love.
Dearest Lord, love is your form, truth is your name, and bliss is your food. I am blessed to witness the glory of transformation that your love has brought across the globe. To try and capture the vista of your magic touch would be like trying to drink the ocean in one gulp. I only have one prayer, my Lord. May this energy infuse, invigorate and carry your mission into the Satya Yuga, with your Arjunas voicing as one. Karishye vachanam tava. Bhagwan, your life is your message. Your message is your blessing. And your blessing is your darshan, sparshan and sampashan. The undercurrent of all is love. Though as time I may move on, but your love stands firm for eternity.
साई तेरा प्यार लाखों में, साई तेरा प्यार हर पल साथ मेरे, ढूंढूं तुझको मैं यूं हर जगह, पर है तू मेरे दिल में बसा, हर कदम हर करम पे खुदा, पाया तेरा ही आसरा। साई तेरा प्यार लाखों में, साई तेरा प्यार हर पल साथ मेरे। पल वो दिन याद आ रहे, तेरी एक झलक पाने के लिए लांग दिए सारे सुख, फिर वही एहसास हो रहा, दिल से मांगू तेरी दुआ तो तू दिखे हर जगह। समय चला है पर तेरा प्यार ना थमा, वही जो है वही कारवां। Your love is a light to the world, dispel the darkness of our ignorance, oh Lord. Your love is the only pill for peace.